Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hi, Sai.
Hello. Good evening. All.
Hi, Sai. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Shall we start our class?
Yes, sir.
Log into Jenkins. So in our yesterday's class, that's what previous class we have seen how to create Maven projects, how to build Maven projects, right? All those things we have seen. How to troubleshoot that issue and all. How do we connect Jenkins, GitHub, and Maven, right? All those things we have seen in our previous class. Okay. Now, today we are going to talk about scheduled projects. Okay? Scheduled projects. Scheduled projects. So in this scheduled projects, we have total two topics. It's build periodically. Second one is whole SEO. SEO means source code management. Whole means pull. Okay. SEO means source code management. Whole means pull. Just remember that one. Okay. Yeah. First we'll see build periodically. Then after that we'll talk about whole SEO. Periodically. So what do we do with this particular option? Build periodically. Simple, guys. See, this is my GitHub. Let's even think of Jenkins. This is Jenkins. This is GitHub. Jenkins GitHub. Now, what actually we do? Whenever developers they keep on pushing code to GitHub. They keep on injecting code. Okay. So what we do with this particular option, build periodically, if you configure this one, what actually happens here? Jenkins, whatever time that we set here, whatever time, for example, if you set 30 minutes, okay, if you set time as 30 minutes, so after every 30 minutes, Jenkins will go to GitHub after every 30 minutes, and whatever code is there here, it will take that code, it will pull that code, it will run the job. So what actually we do here, we create a job. In that job only, we configure this particular option, build periodically. And here we give timing. Whatever time that you want, you can. When you give timing, what actually happens? After every half an hour, Jenkins will go to GitHub and it pulls that code automatically. Okay, pulls that code automatically. Okay, that is so. I mean, see, it's not about pulling code and GitHub. No, nothing like that. If you want any job, okay, if you want any job, that should run after every frequent intervals. Okay, see, so far we have been running these jobs manually. Correct? How we are running, either we are clicking on build option, but I don't want to run manually. I want these jobs should be executed automatically. I want these jobs should be executed automatically. For that, we use an option called build periodically. Okay, so if you execute that option in Maven job, if you execute that in Maven job, automatically, yes, Maven every time, Maven job will be executed automatically. every time it executes, it will go and get that data. Obviously, whenever we run the job, it pulls the code from GitHub, right? That's it. Okay, I'll show you on another job. See, let's take an example of first job. Okay, so click here, drop down, go to configure. Here, you can see one option called build periodically. Okay, build periodically. Now select that option, click that. Now here we have to give time. Okay, so the timing cron job. Guys, did we discuss this cron job? Any of our previous classes? Cron job or cron tab?
No, Sai.
The
No,
timing
Sai.
and all.
No,
We
sir. You
we
said
give-
something like, stars,
No, sir.
you said something like
Yeah,
stars.
that's what.
right?
That's what.
Yeah,
Did we
yeah.
discuss this one anyway?
No,
No,
Sai, but previous, earlier one class, you said that stars, you said.
That's what. That's what. Apart
Yes.
from here, anyways, we are going to see. But in any of our previous classes, did we discuss?
No, Sai.
No, Sai.
No, Sai.
Okay.
No, Sai.
Okay, fine.
Sai, this is related to cron job, right?
Right. Correct. Cron job. Okay, fine. See here. I told you, right, while discussing Jenkins theory, I said there's a tool called cron tool. Okay, there's a tool called cron. The tool name is cron, CRON. Okay, so the purpose of this tool, actually, this is a tool, but it's related file is there. Okay, it's a related file is there in Jenkins. Okay, so what actually we do, you go inside that file and you mention any command, whatever you want, and you mention the time. So this particular tool will make sure that that command should be executed after every frequent intervals, whatever time that you give. For example, here we have in 30 minutes. So this tool will make sure that this command should get executed after every 30 minutes. That means if you want to run anything after every frequent intervals automatically, for that in Linux, we have a tool called cron. That's a tool. Okay. This tool, with the help of this tool, we can run any type of task automatically after every frequent intervals. Okay, without any manual intervention. This particular tool is available in Jenkins also. Actually, that's a Linux related tool, but it is available in Jenkins also. Okay, so here what we do, here the timing we give in a stars format. Okay, see here, first of all, what actually we are trying to do, I want this job should be executed automatically after every frequent intervals. So how frequently you want to run that job? Maybe after every half an hour, after every 5 minutes, after every 1 minute. That time we are going to mention here. How frequently you want this job should execute automatically. That's what, see, build periodically. So that time we are going to mention here. So generally that time we mention in 5 stars format, 5 stars. So what is the meaning of each star here? Let me write here. See, first star indicates minutes. Second star indicates hours. Third star indicates days. Fourth star indicates months. Fifth star indicates weeks. Minutes, see, there is no seconds. Okay, just remember that. Minutes, hours, days. Generally, people, they get confused. After days, they generally think that's weeks. No. After days, it's months. Then only weeks. Minutes, hours, days, months, then weeks. Just remember that. If I give all 5 stars, that means every minute, every day, every minute, every hour, every day, every month, and every week. Okay, that's it. For example, say I want, see, if I give all 5 stars, that means I'm saying that this job should run every minute, every hour, every day, every month, and every week. Suppose I want this job should run after every second minute. I don't want it should run after every 1 minute. I want it should run after every second minute. Then first star by 2. First star by 2. That means every second minute of every hour, every day, every month, and every week. For example, say I want this job should run after every half an hour. So if I start by 30, every 30th minute means that's what half an hour. Every 30th minute of every hour. That means in an hour, this job will run twice. For example, say I want this job should run every minute only, but not every hour, every alternate hour. Then second start by 2. Okay. So I want this job should run after every half an hour of alternate hour. Then first start by 30, second start by 2. I want this job should run after every 3 days. Like that. That's how we can mention the time, whatever time that you want. So if I give all 5 stars means every minute, every hour, every day, every month, and every week. So if you want more help, you can click here. You can see with this, you can see question mark. They mentioned clearly. First star indicates minutes. Second star indicates hours. Third star indicates days. Fourth star indicates months. Fifth star indicates weeks. Okay, that is how we mentioned this time. We have many other formats also, but this is the easiest one, whatever I have explained. So if I give all 5 stars means I want this job should run after every 1 minute. Every minute, every hour, every day, every month, and every week. Okay, make sure that you are giving spaces in between. Okay, that's it. Now click here, apply and save. Okay, now observe carefully this job. See, this particular build, this happened on 19th, right? 19th, day before yesterday. Now here you can see just now build got executed at what time here? 8:48. What is this? 9:48. Yeah, I can see. Right now time is 9:49. So just now build got executed just now. Okay, let's wait for one more minute. After 1 minute, you should be able to see one more build. After that, one more build automatically. Okay, let's wait. You can able to see this. We'll wait for one more job, one more build. So build will be triggered automatically. Whatever time interval that you set. That is what build periodically. There you can see one more bit, third one. It's a continuous process. It happens automatically, continuously. Okay, that is how build periodically works. Suppose if you want to stop it, what you need to do? Go to configure. Now here, just uncheck this one. Just uncheck it. That's it. Now apply and save. That's it. What if I give that same timing in Maven job? If I give that same build periodical option, if I select in Maven job, so whatever time that I mentioned, I say, so if I give 30 minutes, so every 30 minutes, this job will be executed. That means it will take the latest code and it will build that. So after every half an hour, new war file will be created. So generally, when we go with this option, when developers are injecting data continuously they are injecting data in GitHub. That time what we do, we generally give build periodically so that after every frequent intervals, war file should get created. That is how generally we give build periodically. Whatever time, the time manager will let you know. Based on that, we give the time. This is one thing. Here we have one more concept is that is poll SEO. Here one more concept is that is poll SEO. Let me write here itself. Build periodically. Poll SEO. Poll means pull, guys. SEO means source code management. So here what actually happens. This is my Jenkins. This is my GitHub. Here also same. We give timing. Whatever time. For example, here assume that I have given 1 minute. That's what we have given, right? Here also we can give time. That's what 1 minute. Whatever time that you want to give, you can give. So what actually happens here? If you give 1 minute here time, Jenkins here, this is Jenkins. Jenkins will go to GitHub after every 1 minute. Here also every 1 minute it goes to GitHub, and here it pulls data after every 1 minute, right? And pulls the code and it will run the job. But that is not the case with PollSM. In PollSM, after every 1 minute it goes to GitHub, it verifies, it takes the code. but it will not pull that code. It will not take that code. When it will take that code, if any new changes are there, here it is important. If any changes are there, changes in the code. That means, observe carefully here, assume that here in build periodically, see, developers are not injecting the code. No matter, doesn't matter. Whether developers are keeping code or not, doesn't matter. Every 1 minute, these Jenkins will go to GitHub, it will pull that code, it will take that code, it will run that job. Every 1 minute. Whether any new changes are there or not there, that's unnecessary. Whatever time we give, after every 1 minute, it will take that code. Whether it's the same code, no changes, still it will take the same. But in PoleSCM, every 1 minute it will go and verify. But when it will pull that code, if at all any new changes are there. If no new changes are there, it will not pull that code, job won't get executed. Okay, mostly we use this option, PoleSCM. I told you that in my demo, whenever developers, they put code in GitHub, then only Jenkins will pull that code. Okay, then only Jenkins will pull that code. That's what I said, you remember, right, in my demo class? Whenever developers write any code, when they inject code in GitHub, that time only Jenkins will pull that code. Correct? Guys, you remember that word, the sentence which I used in my demo class?
Yes, Sai.
Correct? Yeah.
Yes,
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is where we use PoleSCM option we use. So every 1 minute it goes and it verifies whether any changes are there or not. So when it will pull that code, if at all any changes are there, then only it will pull that code. Otherwise, no. Got it? So this option we use a lot. That means whenever you inject code in GitHub, when you add, when you write code, any code, add, commit, and when you push, immediately job will be triggered. That job will pull the code from GitHub and it will, run that job. That is. Let me show you. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll show this one with Maven job. Okay. See, observe carefully this Maven job here. Now here I have mentioned GitHub URL, test Java repository URL, right? And I have given Maven goal. Correct? So whenever if I run this job will pull code from GitHub. Yeah, of this repository, it will build that code. Correct? Okay, let me log into GitHub also. Test Java. Okay. So now this is how. If I run this job, it will pull that code from GitHub, it will build that code with the help of Maven. Now here what I'm doing, I'm selecting PoleSCM option. You can see just below build periodically, you have PoleSCM. You can see PoleSCM. Pole means pull. Pulling from source code management means GitHub. That's all. Source code management, Git, right? Okay. So here I'm giving time. I'm giving all 5 stars. Everyone. That's it. Right? That's it. Now apply and save. Now, if this is a new job, observe carefully, if Maven job, if it is a new job, then it will build immediately. For the first time, build will be triggered immediately. Okay, if it is a new job, but it's not a new job, right? It's an old job. Already we built thrice, right? So it's not a new job. That's why it won't build. Build won't get triggered. When build will be triggered, if at all any new changes are there in GitHub, in this repository, if at all any new changes, guys, even if you add a small dot, even if you add one small dot anywhere inside this repository, means new changes are there. You remove one dot, means new changes are there. Okay. See, as of now, build won't get triggered. See, this is a build which happened on 22nd, when, yeah, 22nd today. No, 21st, yeah, 21st. That means yesterday. This build triggered yesterday. Now you won't find any new builds unless you make any changes here. Okay, let me make any changes here. Let me modify anything here, any file, wherever you want. Yeah, let me modify readme file. Click here, readme. Any file inside that repository. What it's saying here? Good morning, dear student, something. Yeah, right. Good. Okay, it is showing good morning, right? What I'll do, let's modify a little bit. I'll make it as good evening. Any changes in this entire repository? Anywhere. Good evening, my dear student. Just I have modified a little bit. Okay. Commit changes. That's it. Right? Yeah. Within 1 minute, you can see one build. Within 1 minute. Observe carefully. Let's wait. You can see. See, build got triggered. If you want, you can see this console output. Yeah, it is taking code from GitHub and it will build that code. That's it. You can see that is. So building got triggered. Now, when will be the next build? If at all any new changes are there in GitHub. Okay, if at all any new changes are in GitHub, then next build will be there. Okay, that is what poll is saying. Poll means pulling from source code management when any new changes are there. Okay, so generally if developers if they are injecting data continuously, then it's a waste of giving this one, because when they are injecting continuously, when you give policy, build will be triggered continuously. No, we don't want that. If they are injecting data continuously, then we go with build periodically. But it's not in a continuous process. Sometimes, in a day, some 3 to 4 times they are pushing code to GitHub. That time we give poll assume, so that whenever any new changes are there, then only build should be triggered. That is what poll assume. So guys, just understand the difference between these two. Mostly people get confused. Okay, but you should have clarity. Yeah, that is what scheduled projects. See, in both the cases, we are scheduling. You can see we are giving time. In both the cases, jobs are getting triggered automatically. That's what scheduling projects, scheduling jobs. Okay, so just remember these two. Now, coming to next one. Each and every topic we are going to use in our project. Remember that. The more you practice now, the easier you can understand our project. Okay. Yeah. Next concept. Next topic is linked projects or related projects. Related or linked projects or jobs. Related or linked projects. So here again we have two types of jobs are there. One is downstream job. Downstream job. And one is upstream. Okay. So one is downstream job and one is upstream job. So let's talk about these two, downstream and upstream. First, we'll talk about downstream. Downstream means what? Along with the flow. Downstream river, upstream river. You might have heard, right? Downstream means along with the flow. Upstream means against the flow. Okay. So let's see what is this downstream. Simple. So here we are linking jobs. We are going to link projects. You can see this is what? Related or linked projects. So what actually we do? Let's take any jobs here. I'm going to create one new job. Okay. I'll create one new job called maybe Sai job. I'll create new job and let's create one more job, or let's make it of existing. Yeah, we have Maven job is right. Maven job. Let's make it a existing job. What I'll do, I'll link these two jobs. I'll link these two jobs. Link these two jobs. Okay, so how I'm going to link? Simple. In Sai job, I'm going to give Maven job name. That's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to trigger Sai job. I'm going to trigger Sai job. When I trigger Sai job, then once Sai job build is triggered, build is over. Okay, if build is successful, build is over, finished. Then immediately Sai job will trigger Maven job automatically. I'm not going to trigger Maven job manually. No. When I trigger Sai job will automatically trigger Maven job. That is so. That is what? Linking projects. You can say I'm linking these two. Like that, you can link any number of jobs. For example, see, I have some 5 jobs are there. 5 jobs like, you know, A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to link all these jobs. How I'm going to link? In job A, I'm going to give B. Here B, I'm going to give C. Then D. Here E. So I'm going to trigger job A. When job A is over, it will trigger these job. What is the job here? Right? It will trigger this one, then it will trigger this one, it will trigger this one, like that. It's kind of chain reaction. Okay, that's how you can link, you can build multiple jobs. One job will trigger another job, another job will trigger another job, like that. That is what? Downstream projects. Okay, so let's see how it is going to work. Let's create any new job. Item here. Okay, I'll use side job. Yeah, getting side job. If you want, you can copy settings from any existing job. Maybe I'll copy it from first job. And save. That's it. You can see. So I have created one new job called Sai job. Okay. Now I'm going to link Sai job and Maven job. See, I'm going to link Sai job and Maven job. How I'm going to link? Inside Sai job, I'm going to give Maven job name. I'm repeating. Inside Sai job, I'm going to give Maven job name. So how to do that? See here. Go to configure. If you scroll down, you can see somewhere build other projects. Where you'll find that option under post build actions. In this drop down, you can see build other projects. Click that, and here you are going to give Maven project name. Just give first character M. Then automatically the job name will be displayed here. Okay, don't worry about other options. These we are going to discuss in project clearly. So see what I'm saying here. Once this job is over, it should trigger other project. What is that project? Maven project. That is so. Okay. Now apply and save. That's it. Now, if I build Sai jobs here, I am going to trigger Sai job. See, I'm going to build Sai job. But once it is over, it will trigger Maven job automatically. You can see Maven job is under progress because Sai job is pretty small one, right? We have been just a command, but Maven job is a big one. Here it will pull that source code from GitHub. It will trigger the build. It will create warfare. So you can see Maven job is under progress. That is how it works. Like that, we can link any number of jobs. Okay, in project, we create many jobs like source code job, then test build job, then test job, then QA job, then deployment job. Like we'll create multiple jobs. So one job should trigger automatically another job. Okay, that time build will be initially code will be pulled, then building happens, then test happens, then QA, then deploy. Everything should be executed automatically. Okay, that is where we are going to use this concept in our projects. Okay, fine. And see here we are going to trigger first job manually. See, like I assume that I have created 5 jobs. Okay, pulling source code from GitHub, then build, then test, then QA, then deployment. So we are going to link all these jobs. So if I trigger first job, it will trigger second, it will trigger third. It's like that. I need to trigger first job, right? At least, but here we give poll SCM. Here we give poll SM. Here we connect a developer's machine. So whenever developers write any code, he adds commit and he pushes. Okay, he pushes that code to GitHub. See here, this is a GitHub. Then since we have get policy, immediately this job will be triggered. And it will trigger this one. This will trigger like that, like that. That's how we are going to use all these topics in our project. Got it? So guys, please respond. You understood, right? Where we are going to use this one?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? That is right.
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
That's why I told you, just you need to know all these topics because all of them we are going to use in our project. Okay. Yeah. So this is what downstream. Now coming to upstream. Upstream. Upstream jobs or upstream projects. Here also something similar, guys. At a time, we can use either downstream or upstream. At a time, any one only to use. Okay. At a time, we can use either downstream or upstream. I'll tell you why it is. Okay, let's take Maven job. I'll create a new job. Maybe, okay, Raj job. Raj. Here also same thing. We are going to link these two jobs. I'm going to trigger Raj job. But here we'll do something in a reverse. In Maven job, we are going to mention Raj job. Raj job. We are going to do it in reverse. In Maven job, we are going to mention Raj job name. Okay. Fine. Let me explain clearly. So guys, I want you to respond. Okay, last one question. I want you to respond. Listen carefully. I'm giving a pen to you. I'm giving one pen to you. Okay. You are taking pen from me. I'm giving pen to you. You are taking pen from me. What is the difference between these two sentences? Do you find any difference here? I'm giving one pen to you. You are taking pen from me. What is the difference?
Action that like you are giving and we are taking.
Authorization.
From to.
I want explanation. What is the actual difference between these two?
Sending
Like-
and receiving. Sending and receiving.
Like I'm taking the pen from you and you are giving like the pens to me. That is different. Like I'm requesting or like I'm taking that and you are giving. So
Which you are
taking in-
sharing.
Any other idea from others?
One is push request and one is pull.
Push and
Thanks.
that's it. Any more ideas? Yeah, ultimately we are achieving the same thing, right? Ultimately, you are getting that pen. Whether you are taking from me, whether I'm giving to you, ultimately you are getting that pen, right? Fine. So end result is same. Ultimately, pen is being transferred from myself to you. But here there is a difference, as someone rightly said. So who is taking initiative? Okay. So who is active here? Okay. So who is active here? I'm giving a pen to you means here I'm active, you are lazy. Okay. I'm taking initiative. You are taking pen from me means you are active, I'm lazy. You are taking initiative. Who is taking initiative? That is important. Okay. Who is taking initiative? I'm repeating as I'm giving pen to you means here I'm active, you are lazy. But you are taking pen from me means you are active, here I'm lazy. So who is taking action? Who is taking initiative? Okay, that is a matter. But ultimately, end result is same. What we are trying to achieve, that result that remains same. Here also same thing. Guys, observe carefully. In first case, Sai job. See, we are triggering Sai job. I am triggering Sai job. Then Sai job is kicking Maven job. Hey, Sai job is inform Maven job, kicking Maven job. Hey, Maven job, I finished my work. You do your work. So Sai job is taking initiative in first step. Sai job is informing to Maven job. Hey, Maven job, I finished my work. You start your job. That's it. So here in first case, Sai job is active. Maven job is lazy. So Sai job is kicking, informing to Maven job. Hey, I finished my work. You do your work. But here in second case, what is happening? I am triggering Raj job. Raj job will be triggered. That's it. It is sitting idle. But Maven job, it keep on looking at Raj job. Maven job is looking at Raj job. Hey Raj job, did you finish it or not? Once you finish, I'll start my work. Okay, so in this case, Raj job is sitting lazy. It's lazy. This is active. I'm repeating it. In first case, Sai job is kicking Maven job. Hey Maven job, I finished my work. You start your work. But in second case, Maven job is keep on looking at Raj job. Hey Raj job, okay, once you finish your work, I'll start my work. So here it is active. Here it is active. That is so. But ultimately, we are triggering one job, other job is getting triggered. Ultimately, chain reaction is same. So some people they link jobs by using downstream. Some people they link by using upstream. But ultimately, you can use any one, but you can use only one at a time. You can use only one at a time. Got it? Okay. Some people they link with the downstream. Some people they link with upstream. But downstream is easy, right? Mostly people using downstream. Okay, let me show you upstream. So for that, I'll create Raj job. Raj job. Or you can copy settings from an existing job. Maybe I'll copy from job. Here Raj job is. Now what we need to do? In Maven job, we have to do Raj job. First, let's delink these two, Sai job and Maven job. Earlier already we linked, right? Let's delink both of them. Inside Sai job. Close it. Build other projects. Okay. That's it. Now we are going to link Raj job and Sai job, Maven job. So go inside Maven job and give Raj job name. Okay, go inside Maven job. Inside that we have to give Raj job name. Here you can see build other projects. You find an option called build. So police handle, you can check. Here you can see build after other projects are built. We need to click this option. Build after other projects are built. Here, what job name we have to give? Raj. That's also carefully here. Build after other projects. Here, what is the other project? This one. Okay. Build this job when after other project means Maven job is done. Okay, so it is going to build Raj job when after Maven job is triggered. Sorry. Just I have explained the first. See. Build this one after other project. What is other project here? Raj project. Yeah, these are correct. Okay, see, build which job? Maven job. After other projects are built. Other project means this one, Raj job. Okay, see, here observe carefully. Projects to watch. Here they mentioned clearly, right? Projects to watch. Projects to watch. So this Maven job should watch Raj job. This Maven job should watch Raj job. It keep on looking at Raj job. Once it is over, then it will trigger Maven job. That's it. Simple guys. See here, just focus on my arrow marks here. You can see. Build Maven job when after Raj job is over. I'm repeating. Build Maven job after Raj job is over. See here. Build Maven job when after Raj job is over. Okay, that is a difference. Okay. So So that's it. Over. Now apply and save. Now also what we are going to say, we are going to trigger Raja. Once we trigger Raja, this will be triggered, it will sit idle. But maven job is keep on looking at Raja. So it will come to that Raja is over, triggered, then maven job will be triggered. Okay, so let's trigger Raja. Then you can see maven job will be triggered automatically. Now you can see I have triggered Raja. That's it. Now you can see maven job in queue. The maven job will be triggered. That's it. Okay, so that is the difference between these two, downstream and downstream. Upstream, mostly, people are using downstream because it's very easy to link. It's very easy. Once you trigger this one, it will trigger this one, then it will trigger this one like that. Okay, that is upstream and downstream. I hope you understood. Then one more small topic is it for today. That is views. We can create our own view. Okay, appearance and we can change. See, as a right, if you have 100 movies, you can segregate them, right, with separate folders like Bollywood, Hollywood, and all in that separate folders and all. That's how we can do it, right? Here also, same way, we can create multiple views, our own view. How you want to see these jobs. For example, you can see here, this is one view. All view is a main view. This will be there by default. But here we can create different views. Click here, here you can see. Click. This is creating new view. You can give any name. Maybe I'll give freestyle projects. Okay, freestyle projects. Okay. Then click here, list view and create. Now you can see out of all these projects, you can select what are the projects which are coming under freestyle. Assume that first job, Raj job, okay, second job. Assume that these three are coming under freestyle. Okay, so I've selected 3 jobs. That's it. Apply and okay. That's you can see when new view got created. All jobs are there anyways in all view. Anyways you'll find, but these are separate view. Only freestyle jobs. You can keep one job in any number of views. There is no limit. So let me create one more view. For example, here I'll create Maven jobs. Okay, Maven jobs. List view. Create. Okay, I'm selecting Maven job. Sai job. Assume that Raj job is also. Okay, as I told you, we can keep one job in any number of views. That's why I've selected Raj job also. Now apply and save. That's it. You can see different views. These are freestyle view, some Maven views, Maven jobs, like that. See, if you have more number of jobs, it is recommended to create different views so that you can pick that job easily. If you have 100 jobs, you can't go and verify, right? Okay, which job is there, where, in which location and all. So what you can create separate views. Maven job, yes, here you can find, it would be easy to search, right? So that's how we can create different views. Okay. If you want to delete them, yes, you can delete. For example, Maven jobs. If you want to delete, you can see delete view. Click here, delete. Deleting view, it doesn't mean that you are deleting jobs. No. Okay, those jobs will be there in all view anyways. Just you are deleting the view itself. So your freestyle view. If you want to delete, you can see delete view. But main view you cannot delete. You won't find any delete option. You can see. Okay. So that's a deleting view means just we are deleting that view only, not jobs. Deleted jobs. Okay. So that is all about views. So I hope you understand. Yeah. So in next class we are going to talk about user administration, slaves and all, internal slaves, external slaves, all those things we are going to see in our next class. And yeah, this week, tomorrow I'm planning to take extra class. Tomorrow morning, guys. I think weekends morning should not create any problem. Okay. So morning 7:30 a.m. we have an extra class tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow morning 7:30 a.m. I request everyone to attend. Okay. Working days, that's okay. I do understand working employees, it would be a problem. But weekends, right? Tomorrow, Saturday. Tomorrow class timings would be morning 7:30 a.m. I'm repeating here. 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. So tomorrow. For Saturday. Class timings from 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. So please attend tomorrow's class, 7:30 to 8:30. Got it? Yeah, fine, guys. Anyways, I'll send Google Group message after this class. I'll send Google Group message. Okay. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts from anyone?
Hi, Sai.
Yes, please.
Sai, already we have downstream, right?
Yeah.
And again, upstream also there. At what case we use upstream actually? Already we have a downstream, right?
Yes.
Why we have two options?
See, they have given. See, we have a nano file user, VI file user, editor. Both are same, right?
Yes, yes.
But why they have given two different ways? Sometimes I don't know the reason. But that's why some people they follow downstream, some people they follow upstream. You can use any one only. Why they have given, we don't know. But yes, two ways.
But purpose is same, right?
Yeah, ultimately we are achieving the same. At the end of the day, we are achieving same.
Okay.
Hi, Sai.
Yes, please.
I send you a file that can you open that in
Which
chat
one?
box?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 1 second.
When I clone that book, that show that this type of error.
Git clone. Okay. Git is not recognizing. Array, did you install Git first?
No, Sai.
Without installing
How
Git,
to-
how can you run Git command? Huh?
Okay.
Now don't ask me how to install Git. That's what you are going to ask?
Okay. No, no. And there's also slide one pick also there in a downward side.
See, before that, tell me one thing. What did you understand from this error? Okay, just you tell me. What did you understand with this error?
I thought also.
Huh?
I think that I did not install Git.
You did not install Git. That you know that one before itself. Before you asked the doubt.
I had confusion, so that I asked that.
Before you asked this doubt, you know that you did not install Git, or you didn't know that.
I have confusion at that time.
So at least you should have tried, right, by installing Git.
Okay.
Here you can see they have mentioned very, very clearly that hey, Git is not recognized. What do you mean by recognized? It's not recognizing means Git is not there, right? By seeing that self, at least you can understand it.
Okay.
So that's right. These things you should able to try from your side only. These things, because in companies tomorrow, no one will be there to help you. Understand that? Got it? Yeah. Failed to connect repository error. HTTPS GitHub. Array, again same issue. See, did I explain about forking repository? Did I explain that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
One second. Others, please keep quiet. Others, let me talk to you. Admin, what's your name? I can see your name as admin. What's your name?
Keshav.
Keshav. Okay. So did I explain anything related to forking repositories in previous class?
I did not.
You didn't know. You did not attend my previous classes, Jenkins?
Attend.
You
I
attended
forgot
or
about
not? You tell me.
I attended that class.
You attended. Did I say? Did I talk about fork? Did you hear that word anywhere in my class?
Yes.
So what is that fork? You tell me.
I forgot about that.
So then how can you understand this one? See.
By using fork, we can take from others.
Yeah, guys, that's not same thing. Before you ask any doubt, just first you go through my previous classes. See, if you are not watching my classes, you are not going through my record. Even if you miss any class, you are not going through recording videos, and you are coming up with these silly doubts. I mean, that's okay. You can ask doubt, but there should be some logic, right? You are asking the same thing which I have already explained. It doesn't make any sense, right? Honestly, it's your time waste, my hard work and all everything, right? Understand that? Okay, I know I'm ready to clarify any number of your doubts, but not the same thing which I have already explained. Got it? See, directly, you are trying to copy from, you have pasted my GitHub URL without forking this one. I told you, right? First, you fork GitHub, that repository from my GitHub to your GitHub. Then this will be in your GitHub account. Then you give your GitHub link here.
Okay.
Okay. So then you won't get this error.
Just like a clone, right?
Yeah. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any more doubts?
Yeah, hi, Sai.
Yes, please.
Like in industries, how many jobs we are creating every day or something?
It depends. It depends. For that, to understand that, you have to attend projects first. Okay.
Okay.
So once I explain project, I'm sure you won't ask this question because automatically it'll come to me. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Also, like getting the data, like if I want the data from some like database or something, can I create a job for that?
Data? No. The purpose is not to get the data. See here, what actually we are trying to do? We are trying to create end product. We are not dealing anything related to database here. We are taking code from GitHub. We are testing, building that code. We are testing. We are checking quality, and finally we are deploying in servers that application. So we are not dealing with the database related data anyway. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, Fanindra
Thank
is
you.
asking one question. Let's say that we have 4 jobs. Now, see, can we still obtain D project if we delete? No. See, if we delete C, then link will be disconnected, right? See, your doubt is, suppose I have 4 jobs, A, B, C, D. We connected all of them. If you delete this job, then this job is linked to this one, right? If you build job A, this will trigger job B. That's it. Over. This will be stopped because you are deleting this job. Okay. It won't touch this job D. If you give that job D name here, then this will trigger this one. That is. Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts? Any more doubts?
Sai, we are doing all in graphical representation, right? All this.
Yeah, right.
Which
Yes,
means which means declarative part, right?
Wait, I did not get you.
Declarative in the sense there is no code, right, Sai? Am I right?
Yeah, here there is no code. There is no code. Yes, graphical. Right.
That is what I would like to ask. No more
Right.
any scripting and all, right?
Yeah, it's not a scripted one because people, they don't understand script, right?
Yes.
That too, it's a Java. You must know Java for that to understand.
Okay.
Graphically, only we are dealing with Jenkins.
Okay.
That's it.
Hello, Sai.
Yes, please.
How many number of jobs we can create?
There is no limit. You can create any number of jobs.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, if you keep Pradeep, if you keep second star by 2, in that case, after every second hour. Okay,
Yeah,
every minute of second hour.
Okay. No, I mean, you said right. If in equal intervals for every hour, it will take whether changes are made or not. It will take periodically, right? If I kept that option, and if I need in between, means suddenly I'm Majran and Marshall and Team Chali.
No, that time, no. Whatever time interval that you said, right? It follows exact as it is. Okay,
As it is,
equal
okay.
intervals.
Right.
You can't keep, I want the next job at this time, that job at this time. No, that is not possible. That time you have to do it manually. Okay.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Sai, Snehal
Yes.
this side.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
When we started to start the interview related to DevOps, after finish the end of the class, or now I can started that interview.
No. Now you don't attend these interviews because see, ultimately the main thing is what for project, and after project I'm going to take extra classes. Those are important first. Those extra classes, I'll give first priority to those extra classes. Then second priority to projects. After that only whatever stuff entirely that we are discussing. Okay, so now it is not at all right time to attend interviews. We have to finish our code because these are very, very important. These projects works, day-to-day tasks, errors and all. Without them, you can't crack any of the interviews. Got it?
Okay.
Don't attend now, because if you fail to get job in any company, they will not give you a call at least for next 6 months. Okay,
Right.
that's all. Yeah, guys, yeah, that's it.
Good night, Sai.
Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sai. Good night.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Good night, Sai. Thank you.
Good